Hello Philippines, mabuhay! So we are here at Waki Tower in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Itutour po namin kayo ngayon sa mga therapeutic machines na meron po ang Waki International Group. Let's go! So this is the main lobby of this Waki Tower, and this is all the Waki Mart item from hydrogen, water, and also the all Waki Mart item is in here. So this is the Waki magnetic neck massager equipment, the Waki sleeping belt, and multifunctional help. And the other small machines is here in the Waki Tower in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Let's go!
Ada lagi?
So this is the massager series, especially the machine na makikita po natin palagi sa mga malls in the Philippines, the Waki massager equipment, especially the chair massage. And also, here we go. This is the machines of Waki International Group. This is all the healthcare machines that we can make your good health and beauty. This is the new innovation of Waki healthcare product. This is the Golden Beauty, the WK2088, the new beauty high potential machines. And this is also the exercise improving for health, sports, and beautifications for your family towards a better life. So Waki, not a promise, but sure. Yay!